So finally, this is the face behind BMW Ignite. मैं हूँ प्रतीश and I create cinematic automotive experiences. Today, BMW M2 coupe. Let's get into it.
Something feels still before it reveals itself. A quiet presence holding the frame as BMW Ignite brings focus to BMW and the BMW M2 G87 in Zandvoort Blue, a compact performance coupe shaped by petrol-driven twin-turbo intent, starting around $63,000 globally. First seen in 2023 and arriving in India, the same year near 98 lakh, as details sharpen, identity settles, and the coastline opens into a complete, controlled, unmistakable form, holding in silence where presence feels fully defined and unbroken. Something stands still as the form begins revealing itself. Light hits the surface, and sharp lines start showing clearly. Details move across metal as reflections guide the visual flow. The body holds its ground while proportions stay firm and wide. Each curve connects smoothly as the structure builds strong presence. Wheels grip the stance and braking detail shows raw mechanical intent. Rear form closes the motion as light defines its final identity. Everything rests in silence as the full impression stays locked. Still frame holds the presence, calm and wide. Color defines the shape as it settles into space. Lines stretch across the body with slow control. Proportions lock into balance within the frame. Presence stays steady, fully grounded in environment. Light moves across the rear surface with detail focus. Taillight glow sharpens the identity of the machine. Rear form locks in with clean visual contrast. Attention stays fixed on precision and design. Angle shifts upward revealing carbon texture. Material feels raw yet refined in finish. Final frame settles with silent visual closure. From above, stillness reveals a form slowly taking shape. The wide track settles low, holding balance with controlled presence. Light begins to trace across slim horizontal taillights with precision. Identity locks in as signature M elements become instantly recognizable. Rear design sharpens, reinforcing muscular structure and clean authority. Focus drops lower, exposing quad exhaust and raw mechanical intent. Metal texture and diffuser depth build a sense of engineered performance. A low angle rises, revealing the compact coupe in full proportion feel wide, balanced and grounded. Stillness holds as a blue form slowly comes into view. Motion begins along the shoreline, flowing smoothly through space. The frame carries forward with controlled movement and steady presence. A lower angle strengthens the motion, giving the form more visual power. The stance feels grounded as movement continues with confident flow. Focus shifts briefly to the carbon roof, reducing weight and lowering center. The view expands, revealing structure and scale surrounding the subject. The composition resolves into a balanced and complete cinematic frame. A low angle begins revealing the front form with subtle controlled motion. The full profile stands clear, balanced with a wide planet stance. Sharp LED lighting defines precise surface to tail across the front. The BMW emblem comes into view as clean grille lines reinforce identity. Focus shifts lower revealing structured intakes and airflow-driven design. Motion glides across the surface building symmetry and visual control. A macro view locks onto the BMW badge with refined surface reflections. The composition resolves into a clean, balanced and premium final frame. A tight detail reveals the front wheel and low planet stance. The side profile moves smoothly as reflections travel across the body. Flared arches and sharp lines define a wide and confident stance. Rear lighting and badge details come into clear focused view. The lower bumper and quad exhaust establish strong performance character. The roof reveals carbon texture with smooth flowing reflections above. Upper surface is aligned with precision and controlled structural movement. Reflections settle across the glass as the frame resolves into balance. A quiet reveal defines the front with a low grounded presence. The stance becomes clear as the structure holds within the space. The form remains stable, building a controlled visual identity. Rear lighting and badge details come into focus with smooth motion. The side profile begins moving as reflections travel across the body. Sharp lines and wide stance define a strong, controlled presence. The motion settles into balance with precise structural alignment. The camera tracks toward the rear, forming a unified composition. The visual resolves into a clean and calm cinematic finish. You're not seeing the whole car yet, but you already feel it. That small detail? It's already telling you this isn't ordinary. Now the rear starts to show, and the attitude builds instantly, still holding back, just enough to keep you watching. And now it reveals. The front presence hits completely different. Low, wide, controlled. This is where it starts to feel powerful. Everything aligns, and the full form finally makes sense. Now you see it clearly. This is the BMW M2 G87 presence in full form. From the very first frame, a signature presence begins to form. The silhouette carries a language that feels instantly recognizable. This isn't just a shape, it's a statement of identity. As it holds still, every detail reinforces that character. Clean lines and surfaces reflect a design built with purpose. Nothing feels excessive. Everything feels intentional. As the frame expands, the identity becomes impossible to ignore. Form, space, and presence align into one unified expression. And in the end, it doesn't just appear, it defines itself. You've seen this presence before, haven't you? Those lines, that precision, it stays in your mind. Even in chaos, one form always stands apart. The moment it moves, everything else fades away. No need to guess. You already recognize the feeling. This isn't introduction. This is recognition. One look is enough. The BMW M2 is already familiar. Not remembered by name, remembered by presence. And that memory doesn't fade. It lingers. Because some machines don't get noticed. They get remembered. What if silence could move? Like this. In a forgotten place, something powerful just arrived. A machine that doesn't need attention. It takes it. This is the BMW M2. But not how you've seen it before. Light hits differently when design speaks louder than noise. Every angle hides control. Until it starts to move. The silence is breaking now. Power isn't coming. It's already here. And when it moves, you don't look away. You just remember it.
Honestly, the BMW M2 isn't just something you drive, it's something you feel. Compact in size, but packed with pure performance attitude. If you are into raw driving machine like this, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tell me which car should I cover next.